Our busy lives and schedules create a rush mentality to our days, and our health and wellness is placed second or even third on our priorities, and our first inclination is to give up breakfast, and it is true what they have been saying for years. Breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. Also, what we have for breakfast is very important. A good meal on the go is a homemade smoothie with wholesome fresh organic foods in it. My daily smoothie consists of ground flax seeds, filtered water, fresh blueberries, banana, flax and borage oil, acai berry powder, energy vitamin C powder, rice protein powder and ice. Then blend this until completed blended and you have a perfect start to your day. I have found for my health and wellness I like to eat my dinner and or main meal at lunch, as then I have all day to actively process it, and I love to snack in the evening, so I fix my snack foods for the evening. These usually consist of organic fresh fruit, raw unsalted nuts, hummus with rice crackers or avocado with rice crackers. This makes me think I am snacking rather than eating a meal. Find whatever makes you feel good so you stick with it and don't get the urge to eat unhealthy. That which feeds your mind, body, soul. Chocolate is very healthy for your health and wellness. There is a catch though, it needs to be at least 70% cocoa and dark chocolate, which comes with very limited sugar in it, and I find I takes care of my sweet tooth and my cravings for dessert, chocolate. I always say it is not dessert unless it is chocolate. Of course this is eaten in moderation, 1 to 2 little squares soothes my dessert need. Another important health and wellness tip is water. It is so important to drink lots of water and keep the body flushed out of all the toxins we take in, just by living and being out in the world. Fear less, hope more. Eat less, chew more. Whine less, breathe more. Talk less, say more. Hate less, love more, and all good things are yours. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe to watch for more.